Okay, I'm about to leave for another week of test drives, but I got this package today. It's a Sunday, but FedEx now delivers every day. It looks heavy, feels heavy. Let's see what we got here. Oh wow, these are really high performance straps. I'm gonna test them later, but I can feel just by the looks of it and the weight that this is really high quality. This has a working load of 1,000 pounds and this is 500. So we'll find somewhere to test them later, maybe when I come back. I'm not bringing this to Mexico. Well, I came out here with these keeper straps because this is basically trailer heaven. See how many trailers and campers and everything else that we have here. Here's an example of the traditional system for straps. These ones here eliminate the need for traditional threading, so that allows a quick slide into the webbing and ratchet immediately. This is ideal for people who don't use this all the time, like me. I'm not a pro on this by any chance. So this is gonna make it super easy to use. And again, we have two versions of it. This is the 1 inch, 12 feet, 500 pounds. And this is 125 inch, 16 feet, and 1,000 pounds of resistance. So let's put them on. Let's get them out of the package and see how it is. So let's see here. If I can get them out of here. Well, I'm not gonna take both of them. This is one, and we're gonna try just to hook it up here. And this is just for a little demonstration. So let's say we can apply it there, and we're gonna go to the other end with this side. So again, let's put it here on this side and throw this to the other side to attach it. And again, as I already figured out just by looking at it, this is gonna be super simple. There it is. So here's the trick. So just put this here in this and basically start clicking. And there it is. No need to rethink anything, just put it there. It's already super tight. That was easy. So this traditional method, it's kind of complicated. I have one at home that I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna deal with this one here because this is not my trailer. It's already set up to secure the ramps here, which are pretty secure, I have to say. So these ones, as you just saw, it's super simple to attach and take out. You don't have to figure out anything. I'm not an expert. I usually get in trouble for trying to do things without reading the instructions. Here, I didn't need the instructions, even though they're here, but it's super easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attach the hooks, pull the webbing, remove the slack, rotate the dome, face up, and then you basically tie. And that's it. To release this orange knob, that's it. That was easy. So there you have it. Super easy. I'm gonna put them back in the original packaging, at least this one that I put out, because this one will eventually make it all the way down to Chile, where my friend has a couple of snow motorcycles. And from what I remember, the last time I was there, his setup was as complicated as the other one. So there we go. Let me see if I can set it up the way it was, more or less at least. This one goes down here. There you go. So here it is. Let's just do a little demo with the big ones. It's gonna be exactly the same thing. This is heavier, obviously, but exactly the same system. Attach one end here. We can throw this to the other side, or actually the other way. Let's put it on this side hook for the demonstration, and now we throw this one that way. Let's set it up here. We're gonna take this label out. Kwik Feed. That's exactly what it does. Again, you just insert it here. There you go. Tight it up a little bit so you don't have to do that many clicks. That's it. Look at that. This extra thing, you will wrap it up so it won't be flying around, whatever. Keeper, Kwik Feed, easiest and fastest loading ratchet. Definitely something that is very, very helpful. And once we use them in their final destination, we'll share another video with you. There you go. Now let's go and find something to put on this trailer. You have plenty to choose from here.